how to upload video to TikTok from vid.io. So first go to vid.io and then just open up your video there. And then you can just export your video first. Click on done here at the top right and then just select the quality and then just click on export video. Now let's just wait for it to finish exporting. Now let's just wait for it to download. Oh wait, we just need to click on download first and then select MP4. Okay, now that we've downloaded our video, you can just go to TikTok and then just click on upload here at the left side. Click on select video and then select your video. And from there, you can just add any of the details that you want to add. And then just click on post and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.